Today, we're diving into the Rockville RockSlim White Home Theater 5.25-inch 240W Easy Wall Mount Slim speakers. These speakers offer a sleek design that seamlessly blends into any room, making them a perfect fit for your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even a restaurant setting. With an impressive RMS power handling of 40 watts per speaker, 80 watts per pair, and a peak power handling of 120 watts per speaker, 240 watts per pair, these speakers pack a punch. The 5.25-inch woofer with a paper cone ensures natural sound reproduction with clear mids and bass, while the 0.5 Mylar dome tweeter delivers pristine highs, providing a well-rounded audio experience. Setting them up is a breeze, just as easy as hanging a picture. The hanging bracket is molded into the speaker, and recessed spring-loaded speaker wire terminals make it easy to hide wires. The molded speaker wire groove facilitates running speaker wires behind the speaker for a clean setup. The speakers are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. The white color and shielded grille not only add a touch of elegance but also offer additional protection from dust and damage. The ABS cabinet material ensures durability, making them a reliable choice for your home theater setup. Whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile, the Rockville RockSlim White Home Theater speakers with their high-res audio capability provide a high-quality audio experience. With a sensitivity of 89 dB and a frequency response of 100 Hz to 20 kHz, these speakers deliver sound that's both crisp and immersive. In conclusion, these slim speakers from Rockville are a fantastic addition to any home theater setup. Easy to install, stylish, and with impressive audio performance, they offer great value for both casual users and audio enthusiasts alike. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.